one other thing that's going on, some of you are asking me about stocks and what's a stock to pick. I'll tell you a stock. I gave you a list of what Dr. Boyce is buying in the stock market program, drboycestockmarket.com. One of the stocks that I liked was Citigroup, and the ticker symbol C, the letter C, and so I picked that stock out because what's happening now is that the stock market is, it's giving signs that it might be time to kind of protect your neck a little bit. I think Bitcoin got its butt kicked a little bit today, a little bit more. I bought some more today. I bought some more. Actually, I didn't buy Bitcoin today though. I bought Bitcoin yesterday. I bought some Solana today, Solana, and basically like people just don't know. Um, People don't know exactly what 2026 is going to look like, but most analysts are predicting that it's going to be positive for the market. But a lot of times they'll say that until something bad happens, and then all the projections will go negative. So as new information arrives, they adjust their expectation. And I think the challenge is they don't have all the information they need. The Trump administration does not make it easy to figure out what's going to happen next because it's a little bit ghetto, a little bit chaotic. But I do know that Trump mentioned picking a new Fed chair, and he says he's already picked his person. It's probably going to be somebody that's going to lower interest rates. When he makes that announcement, I anticipate the stock market will benefit. But also the problem is that his meddling in the Federal Reserve reduces the credibility of the Fed. The Fed is supposed to be independent. It's not supposed to be, sort of infiltrated by the White House. So, in the short term, money can be made, but in the long term, you'll see a consistent decline in the value of the dollar as a result of people not trusting the Fed as much as they used to. So that's the cost. Um, but yeah, but Citigroup, the ticker symbol C, they have a massive global footprint and they're in a lot of emerging markets. They have trading, wealth management, institutional banking, stuff like that. They're cost cutting right now. I think that their management's really, really good. And they also have one of the lowest valuations among major banks, meaning their multiple is actually low, which could mean that this stock, once people realize how valuable it is, the price could go up. I think it's a good long-term investment. Nothing's guaranteed, but that is a stock that I like. So if you want to see all the other stuff that's going on and what Dr. Boyce is buying, you can go to drboycestockmarket.com. That's drboycestockmarket.com. All right. So is today the last day for the discount on the A, B, and C in October? Yeah, today is the last day. So if you want to get the discount passes for the All Black National Convention of 2026, which is going to be the weekend of October 16th, you can go to allblacknationalconvention.com. That's allblacknationalconvention.com. And that's where we get together once a year and we see each other and hang out and teach and learn and grow and connect and have fun and everything else. The convention's a blast. So if you haven't been before, come down there, bring your kids. We have a children's track. We also have a track for young people called Young, Black, and Rich. And so if you have people in your family that are in their 20s and they want to come, there'll be other 20 somethings there as well. So it's up to you to decide how you want to proceed, but it's a great space in terms of black love and black success. All right, so let's see, what else did I want to mention? Um, One other thing. Oh yeah, yeah. Here's something crazy. If you want to see something really ridiculous, let me just show you something really stupid. This is gonna like you're gonna be like, man, he's a weirdo. All right, so but I gotta show it to you. All right, so let me see. Hold on, here we go. All right, so here is first thing. Okay, first thing is, I went to Ohio State and got my doctorate, and we kicked the crap out of Michigan this weekend. So that's important. Not that you asked for this information, but you have to know these things.